Hello, everyone. Professor D here. Today we were working on our website, how to embed a YouTube video in a basic website. So this is where we are. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you watch that video before moving forward. Second, I'm going to show you how to put in a video that you download to your computer so that you can show it in your website. So first of all, we have to go to pixabayvideos.com. So let me just go and show you where how I got this. So just so you know, I use Pixabay, and if I back out of this, it's Pixabay videos, and I put in flashing lights. So if I put flashing lights and I click on to search for, it gives me all of these different types of videos that I can use. So for this particular video, I'm going to use this video. So I'm going to download. It's a free download. And it's saving it to my downloads folder. Okay. So now I can go and pick it up from my downloads folder. Let me just click off of this and then back in here. And I should see, let's see, here it is right here. So I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to cut it from my downloads folder. And if you remember, we made a folder on the desktop. So I'm going to my folder on the desktop, which is GED 105. I'm double clicking my folder. I'm going to paste my video right there. And look at this long drawn out name. So I'm just going to name it something else. I'm just going to call it ROBOT, robot, right? That's what I'm going to call it, robot. All right. So I have my index file, and then I have robot. So if I want to open up this index file, I can right click on it and go down to open up with, and I can open it up in brackets. I can open it up in Visual Studio Code, but I choose to open it up in Notepad. So here's the Notepad that I was working with earlier. Has all the same information in it. And I'm going to put my next video right after my closed paragraph tag. So I'm going to make some line spacing there. So I'm going to put in a BR tag, and then I'm going to put an enter in. Okay, and I want to put my code, my HTML code right here. So what I need to do in order to do this is, and I don't know if it's going to let me, but I have to get here. Here we go. There we go. Okay, so I have to go to my Canvas, week 2, under assignments. Okay, and then I open up that assignment, and at the bottom of the assignment, this is the code. So I'm just going to copy that code. Now I'm going back to my notepad. Let me make sure I'm in the correct notepad. Nope, that's not the correct one. I have too many things open. Here it is. Okay, and I'm just going to paste my code in. So it's telling me the video width 220 by the height 140, and it's saying controls. Now right now you don't have to know what all of that means. My source code, and then it says your video name. So I'm going to take out the words your video name, and I'm going to call this robot, ROBOT, because that's what I call the video. And then the second line, it says source, SRC, and it says your video name. So I'm going to take that out, And I'm going to put in ROBOT. Now you want to make sure that you named it the same. I'm going to say file save, that you named it the same. So what you can do is go back and look at it. So I just pulled it down to make sure I have the same name, because the video has to be called the exact name of the video in order for this to work. Okay, so I did file save, and I know I did it once already. I'm going to close this. Then I'm going to double click on it to open it. And you see I have my flashing lights video, and I have my other video, and if I click on it, it actually does work, and you can see that it is working. So that is how you do it. It's a pretty simple process, and I'll see you all in the next lesson. We'll talk a little bit more about the different controls in the next lesson, but I'll see you then. Have a great day. Bye-bye.